In this video we're going to create this part called a wheel block. I'm going to use the end view as my sketch profile because it gives me the most information. It has a width of 0.75 and a height of 0.875. There's a 1/4 inch or 0.25 hole that is centered across the width and has a height of 0.25 from the bottom edge. There are two fillets. These are 1/8 inch or 0.125. I'm starting a new part studio in inches. Click on a new sketch. Use the right sketch plane. Right click and view normal to the sketch plane. I'll use a corner rectangle and click on my origin for my first corner, pulling it down to the right. This has a width of 0.75 and a height of 0.875. I have a center point circle for the hole. Now I'm going to go along the bottom edge looking for that midpoint. I see the small box there, and I'm just dragging the mouse along. I can see a projected line. I'm going to click to make the center of this circle coincident to that bottom, the midpoint of the bottom edge. Click, and this is a 0.25 circle for the hole. And this has a distance from the center point of the circle to the bottom edge of 0.25. Now the corners are rounded, so I'll use a sketch fillet and click on these two outside edges and set the fillet at 0.125 or 1/8 of an inch. And again on this other side, these two edges are also filleted at 1/8. With those fillets added, my sketch is complete, so I'll click on the green checkbox and I'm going to change to isometric view. Choose Extrude and click on the profile. I want this to go to the left and has a total depth of 2 inches. That looks correct, so I'll accept that. And now I've created my wheel block. I can use the P on the keyboard to turn off the sketch planes.